Hi there, it's Don Greeno here at Designer Fair. I'm here to tell you about the amazing deals we have going on right now with our Spring Fling event. Save 10% off your final order, only eligible on $50 or more. Come take advantage of not only our low prices, but our expertise and phenomenal customer service. Here at Designer Fair, we offer multiple professional services, all to suit your business needs, such as website development, logo and brand development, advertising, both digital and print, such as social media advertising and company brochures, all custom designed to fit your needs. Come check us out on any of our social media platforms on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date on any current promotions currently happening. You can also go on our website for a full list where you can see all our services, as well as being able to book now with us. You can look at us up at www.designerfairllc.com. Again, that's www.designerfairllc.com. Well, I hope to see you soon. I'm going out to enjoy some of this beautiful spring air.